Okay, week 4 hive inspection. This week he's taught me a little bit of a lesson.
One that our phone fell over right away.
Did it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is it pointed at us? I think it is. All right, week 4 hive inspection. We learned a good lesson this week. Don't come out here without your gear and without your smoker. Last week I came out, or earlier in the week I came out to feed them, and they didn't like it, and they came at me pretty hard. So, this week we're going to learn our lesson. Hi. There's some fuzzy bees on there.
They are fuzzy.
Oh, Mama, what are you? Baby, will you get me my,
Sure.
my gloves? Yeah. Actually, the brown leather ones, if you don't
There
mind.
you go.
All right, so we fed them on, today is Sunday, Mother's Day. So we fed them on Thursday, and when I had fed them, they had eaten all of their existing food. One thing that we found is we've been having some issues with
Really,
ants.
really big black ants.
Big black ants.
And we've
Wow.
also seen some wasps.
Wow. And look at, you see how they're all bundled up on the side here?
Mm-hmm.
This is what I saw last week. So last week when I lifted the lid, I don't know if you can see, but they're all gathered on the lid.
For your queen yet,
and they're going to have a lot of...
Not taking her out?
What's that?
Your queen?
Yeah. She's not on here. So we'll fix that. I'll fix that later.
I got it.
Looks like worker bees, but we've definitely had a little bit of an explosion in the population.
A lot of busy bees.
So that's great.
Baby bees.
All right. So last week, Lisa was pulled out to the 6th frame. Let's see where, or the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th frame. I'm guessing her 7th frame this week is going to be really full. Mine is just getting bees on it now. No drawing out. Baby, can you put this on the... Yeah. Let me just puff them real quick. Let me just puff them real quick.
And then I'll just set it over behind mine for now. Thank you.
That seemed to really rile them up more than settle them down, didn't it? All right. Let's see what we've got this week, ladies.
Sorry, excuse my language.
So we're interested this week on the fact that we've been seeing a lot of pests.
I have tools right here.
I know, but I should have mine. And I've also noticed that my bees are really active. It's a warm day today. It's the warmest day we've actually had since we've had the bees. So we're looking at about 80 degrees by top today, high end. All right, so let's pull out our 6th frame here. I can see they're building on it. They're just getting going on it. You can see here, I finally got bees on this frame. Last week we had no bees on this frame, which is good. That means that they're starting to pull it out. I don't see any eggs or larvae on this one. Okay, hold on, baby.
Here, sweetie, I'm not going anywhere. I just moving the smoker because it's...
Oh, you know what? Could you smoke them one more time over here?
Are you sure? They seem really irritated with it.
All right. Last week, this one was almost empty. And this week, it's full of nectar. Oh, yeah, and then I got
Did you find your queen yet?
larva. No, I'm looking for eggs and larvae. I haven't seen the queen yet, but I've got some really bright pollen. Do you remember that red pollen I was telling you about? You see it in that corner over here? You see how bright red where that bee just went?
That's so beautiful. Good job, babies.
I'm not seeing in here.
Good job, baby.
There's a lot of eggs.
Good job,
Damn, I don't see a lot of eggs in this one.
I wonder if you'll have them on a frame inside. I think we need to find your queen.
I know, she's in here.
See if she's feeling alright.
I usually see them pretty good. She may have gone back through because we should have had a hatch out. Oops, sorry guys. We should have had a hatch. And they're using propolis to stick their hives together. So, whoops. Just poked a hole in their honey. There's my mistake for the day. Oh yeah, we've got larvae. So you see down at the bottom, you see larvae and you see all the cap brood. So this is, and then that's honey up in the corner. Pollen stores around the edges. So if you can see that, that's capped brood, a little bit of honey. That's a good dish looking frame. Eggs. Oh yeah, there's definitely eggs.
Yay!
That means she's doing her job. Let's see if we can find our queen. Nothing yet. But I have eggs and larvae on here. Definitely larvae. Definitely eggs. Definitely pollen. Definitely honey. And definitely some new members to the family. Hi, y'all. Welcome. Baby, can we smoke them again real quick? They're very agitated.
They are. You need to probably.
Give them a couple really good.
I think we're running out.
Not trying to smoke them out or anything, but
They're
you can
agitated.
see they're awfully agitated today. And I've been wondering if we've been having some predators fucking with them, messing with them. Hey, ladies, how's everybody doing? Just picking off some of this comb. Hive definitely feels more agitated than Lisa's does.
Well, we haven't opened Lisa's yet.
Yeah. So this is my
Put down your tool, baby.
third
so you
frame
don't poke 'em.
in. Oh yeah, we've got a big hatch out here. Look at that.
Whoa!
Look at that.
Nice.
So you can see in the middle there, we've hatched out a ton. They're refilling that with nectar.
Fantastic.
Trying to see if the queen's been back through here at all. Oh yeah, it does. It looks like it's already relayed and there's larvae in some of these. It's harder to see in the darker cells now, but this one's fully drawn out. So this one we can mark too.
awesome.
So you mark the year that they're fully drawn out. Oh wow, look at this. We've had a big hatch out on this side too.
Fantastic. Do you need a marker to write on the actual frame, or is it on the box?
We'll do it at the end.
Okay.
Oh, yep, I see some larvae in there. So she's already been back through and laid, and there's some larvae in these already, in the ones that have already hatched.
Nice.
So she's been doing her job.
Now,
Yep.
just where is
Look
she?
at that hatch out.
Now we just need to see where she's at.
Mm-hmm. There's some larvae down in there. No drones. It's funny to watch the bees go inside and... Oh, there she is.
You found her?
So right in the center. Right in the very center.
Oh yeah, I see her. It's funny how they haven't eaten off her green dot.
I think they just wear off, honestly.
Oh, in one of the
Oh,
videos
there
they
she
said
just
that
laid an
we
egg
ate
right
up.
there.
Oh wow.
See, she's dropping
Go
in.
girl. Go girl. Happy Mother's Day to you.
I know you can't see, but happy Mother's Day, Mama. Good job.
That's awesome.
Oh, she just laid another one. She's laying
Whoa.
actively.
Yeah.
And she's doing her job.
Gentle, gentle, gentle.
That's good. That's the third frame in, and she's laying on it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to squish her or nothing.
Ooh, look at that one. It's dark.
Wow. That's had a full hatch out, and it's full again of larvae.
Nice.
So they're getting
Look
ready to
at
recap
that.
this. She's been
You
active.
should see the other side too. Is really bit.
Look at
Yeah,
that.
that other side is dark as well.
Oh, my hive just exploded
Nice.
this
They
week.
did. Look
Oh wow,
at these
that's
guys.
full of. Come look at this one.
I can see it.
Can you
That's
see the middle though? The
fantastic.
larva
Yeah.
that's in there.
Yeah.
So she's
That's
been active. She's an active
awesome.
queen.
Mm-hmm. I told you your hive was going to explode this week.
Yeah, we got honey stores. We got good pollen stores. Good brood pattern.
Getting out all these
Good
ants
job,
for you
mamas.
guys. If I see them, I'm going to get them.
Excited. That makes me so happy.
Yeah, you should be. That's fantastic.
I know. I was really worried last week.
Are you stuck?
Yeah, it's starting. You're starting to see the effects of propolis.
Oh!
Oh my God, I've got a ton of brood on this one. Look, this is closest to the thing, and look at how full of capped brood that is.
Yeah.
Oh, look at how full pollen it is too.
Mm-hmm. You should see the other side too. Wow, that's cool.
Hatched out. We've got honey. These frames are fully drawn out now. Makes me happy.
Yeah.
I'm betting yours is going to be about ready for another box.
Don't lose your lives on us, guys. We're just here to help you. Sweet babies, baby, baby.
We keep pulling comb down into the feeder, and I'm sure that's probably normal, but kind of a pain in the ass. Yeah, why don't you smoke yours up real quick? Because we're about ready. All right. Oh, sorry, Mama. There you go. All right. So,
I think this is kind of pretty much out. Maybe it'll pick
okay, we just need to relight it then. All right. Well, that's my hive inspection for this week. We've got, I'm going to say this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames pretty fully drawn out. Just want to make sure this one again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of eggs in here.
You ready for me to bring me your food? Oh, you're not ready yet.
I think I'm gonna do what I did with yours last week, and I'm gonna swap this last frame with the first frame because they said move your brood to the middle, and it'll encourage them to draw this one out.
That one for
Yeah,
you
if you won't mind, yeah, that would be great. So again, all we're looking for in a hive inspection is proof that the queen is there, she's active and laying, and we literally saw that she was active and we saw her lay. Yep. And what I'm doing now is this is something I'm just trying out, but I'm moving a frame that has no eggs or larvae on it to the feeder side so that it will encourage them to draw it out. Come on, out of the way. These will move. You just got to give them a minute. You're worried about smashing them. Come on. All right, I'm gonna wrap up so these guys can calm down and get back to work on a beautiful Mother's Day. Good job, Mama. Mamas. Well, there's only one of you that's a mama, but you know what I mean. Okay, and then we have got our last frame that is just starting to get pulled, and so progress, we'll take it. All right.
You want me to bring you the food, baby?
Just trying to get them all even here.
Sure.
All right, let me feed them real quick. There's something on the corner.
That they
There's
love
something on the
so
corner
much.
over
It's
here
gotta
that
be
they're just
pheromones
balled
or
up.
something.
This one's sitting here literally drinking as I'm filling it up.
I love when they do that. That's so cute.
She's just sitting there sticking her tongue out, let me pour it right over her face. I only put about a quarter of a gallon in here, and they were almost out. Like you can see, they're almost.
Wow, yeah, they're just burning through it.
But I filled yours all the way up last week. Come on, guys, get out of there.
Watch where you set that. There you go.
I see so many dead bees in the feeder. It upsets me.
Well, you know what? You're gonna upset.
See?
Yeah, here. You see? You're gonna upset them if you keep being upset.
Why do they do this? That's almost like instinctive, like they're attacking a predator.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're getting upset.
Okay, just getting the burr comb off there so that they don't continue to work it. Put that
I
here
got
in front
some
of
dead
the
bees out for
thing.
you, babe.
Well,
But
one
I
of them
think
stung
that's
me
it.
again and didn't feel it because protected, but she died right there. Okay, so, and this is why I watch what I'm doing here, because last week I didn't put, or 2 weeks ago I didn't put this hole
That might have been
to the
standing in
front.
front of ya. you, babe, but we're out. And I don't know how to do
Yeah,
this
we need to
thing.
relight that. They are active today.
Mm-hmm.
Leave that out there for
You use
them to
some
get their
pine
little
cones,
bits.
baby?
Huh?
You use pine cones to light it?
Pine needles. But I should just.
Pine needles, sorry.
Okay. And we'll stop the video and then we'll go again at the end.